All right, kids, this is Rome. You're over at this guy's house for a revel, and in comes Antoninus. Lots of energy. What are you doing at the table of bands?
Huh?
You're supposed to be reclining with the lyre.
I'm sorry.
Recline with the lyre. Don't sit on the pediment. Recline. Relax.
All right.
Festive. Set. Roll sound. I got my eye on you.
Roll camera. Fountain. Hail Caesar, 10 apple, take 10.
And action!
Autolycus, I had heard rumors of your return to Rome.
More than rumors, noble Sestimus. I see that you're the same worshipper of Bacchus. What gaiety! There is still truth in the adage, what pleasures cannot be found in the villa of Sestimus Amidius cannot be found in Rome. But seriously, there is talk the Senate will send our legions out again, and this time not on a short march to Gaul. What truth to these mutterings, Sestimus?
The matter has been taken up in the Senate. It seems that there is unrest in Palestine.
Palestine? That backwater. They'll hardly be sending the 6th Legion to that godforsaken patch of desert.
Palestine!
Holding for dissolve. Still laughing. Holding. And cut. Fine, boys. That was just fine.
Okay, was over.
We're going to move on to the brazier scene.
All right with the mutterings. It felt a little.
No, it's fine. Moving on. Brazier scene, 20 minutes.
Popping over the trailer.
Okay, in the brazier scene, they changed passion to ardor.
What? Why? I like passion. Strong. It's passion. Such is my greeting after 3 months' sojourn in Gaul. Not so, Selena. Oh.
My ardor is yet as warm as the embers of this brazier.
Embers of this brazier.
Ready for you, Mr. Whitlock.
So, Carmelina.